98. Welcome, everyone, to M&T Bank Stadium in Baltimore. Up next, it's our main event between the Las Vegas Raiders and the Baltimore Ravens. Tyler Lupe is out and about ready to send this one away. And we're off from Baltimore. And this will be a touchback, so we're going to need our first snap to...